Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on the Stormy Shimmer Smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the Smooshy marble, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Not Milky White, Holo Taco Freezer Burn, and Holo Taco Cold Slate, which I'll also be using as my base color. I applied some liquid latex around my nail to protect my skin while I'm smooshing and make cleanup easier, and I'm going to start laying out the colors on my stamper head. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and stamp onto one or two nails depending on how much polish ends up being on the stamper. Once I've smooshed all my nails, I'm going to move on to cleanup. If there are any spots that the latex didn't get, I'm using a Q-tip, and then I'm going to go in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I got a bit more white than I wanted on some of the nails, but overall I think there's a really good balance and a lot of the shimmer coming through. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which has some additional testing and a couple other colors that might have to become manicures at some point, that's up over on my VODs channel. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.